Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create simplified representations in Creo. Simplified representations are powerful tools that significantly reduce the complexity of large assemblies. They help improve performance by loading only the necessary components, making your work faster and more efficient. This method is crucial for managing large designs without sacrificing detail where it matters most. To start, open your assembly in Creo. Go to the File menu, then select Prepare and choose Model Properties. In the Model Properties dialog, you will find the Simplified Reps section. Click the New button there to create a new simplified representation. This initial step sets the foundation for optimizing your assembly's performance. Now, you'll define which components are included or excluded. You can select individual parts or use rules to manage entire subassemblies, like by distance or by volume. This allows for highly customized views, focusing on critical areas while hiding unnecessary detail. Remember to save your new representation so you can easily access it whenever needed. Once created, you can easily activate your simplified representation directly from the model tree. This allows you to quickly switch between different views, optimizing your workspace for various tasks, whether it's detailed design, interference checking, or overall assembly review. This flexibility significantly enhances your workflow and improves system responsiveness. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.